So, let us do the thing that we're supposed to do. Okay? Nothing in this world everything will be fine. We are not here to fight anybody. Okay? We are here to fight ourselves. The biggest enemies in this world is not the people outside. The biggest enemy in this world is our inner self, our mind, our thought. So let everybody say whatever they want to say, because it's freedom, right? We just have to fight ourselves to purify our mind. We are not here trying to convert anybody or trying to persuade anybody to come with us. We are here for just one mission together, to have peace for our own, to have peace for this country, to have peace for this universe. That everybody, all the human beings and all the beings is in need. We all have in different faiths. We believe in different faiths. Religions, Buddhism, Hinduism, Taoism, Catholic, all kind of different religions. We have different mindset, we have different beliefs. That is why we pick the religions that is suitable for us, right? But all those religions, all the masters, all the reverends, all the venerable monks, all the gurus are teaching us how to purify our mind, how to teach us how to become a good person in this society. Is that right? Yes. That's it, nothing else. But at the end, all these religions always teach us to come back to one religion, which is the religion that everybody are worshiping without any building in this world. It's the religions of peace, loving kindness, and compassion. Yes. That is everybody seeking for every single day in this world. Everybody. We've been worshiping it. Right? So it doesn't matter what background we are, what faith we believe in. We still worshiping peace, loving kindness, and compassion all together because we are the same. Yes. There's no difference. There is no difference. Yes. Okay? Yes. The biggest problem right now is us, that we don't know how to manage our emotion, our feelings. And that is why when things happen, we always react. Let us not to let anybody control us anymore and not to react. Because the more we react, the more we be suffered. No one can suffer for us but except ourselves, okay? The more we react, the happy they are. So don't react from now on. Let's just promise to ourselves a new year resolution. 2026 is our new us. New year, new us. We will not become any slavery for anybody. We have to fix ourselves. We have to live for ourselves. We have to build peace for ourselves and our family. Can we do that? Yes. Yes. Can we all do that? Yes. So we all will walk to Washington, D.C. together, right? Yes. Spirit, in spirit. Yes. Okay? We will walk to Washington, D.C. together in spirit by practicing to overcome all the difficulties in life, to practice to be mindful on every action we make, every word we speak. Okay? If we can practice to do that, I promise you, you and your family are the first one who have peace. We don't need the world peace when our family don't have peace. We have to start from step one. Step by step, we can make change. We can make this world to become a better place to live. And of course, this mission is not going to be complete without all of you here and all of us and all the supporters who worshiping peace, loving kindness, and compassion. So we need all of us here to work together for the benefits of all beings in this universe. Can we do that?
Yes.
Thank you so much for that. And so in order for us to do that, one more thing. Every morning when we wake up, please remember, even though you already memorized it, but still please listen to it, because there are many people that have not heard about it. In the morning when we wake up, our mind is very pure and clear. After a long night of sleep, rest, our mind is very pure and fresh. If we don't give our mind a job to do, it will automatically pick up all the trash to chew it over and over. Trash means all those bad habits, all those sufferings, all those unhappiness within our life in the past. We will keep thinking of those. And then whenever those thoughts pop up, we go after that, then we suffer. That's what I mean by we chewing all those trash over and over. All those are trash. They can't be used. It won't fulfill our stomach. We have to do something. We have to work something for us to eat. Those are the things that we eatable, drinkable. Okay, not trash. So to do that, we have to get a piece of paper out and a piece of paper and a pen. Write out this one statement. Today is going to be my peaceful day. Today is going to be my peaceful day. Write it and then read it over with our eyes. Remember, have to use our hand and our head together, okay? And then read it with our eyes over and over. After that, read it out loud. Just like I'm speaking right now. Read it out loud to tell the universe, to spread that to the universe, to throw that to the universe, to declare, today is my peaceful day, no one can mess it up. Except us. We are the owner of it. We are the one who can mess it up, no one else. Whatever happened around us right now, or whenever, if we can stay calm, if we can keep our mind calm and pure, we will have peace. If we react, we will not have peace. That means we mess our day up. Is that right?
Yes.
And so, tell the universe that, and then work on it throughout the day. Every little thing, be mindful with it. Like eat. When we eat, just be mindful with eat. Do not eat and watch movie or listening to music anymore. When drink, same way. When cook, same way. When go to the toilet, same way. When changing, same way. Taking a bath, same way. Just one thing at a time. We've been working, we've been living in this society with multitasks for so long already. And that is why we cannot manage our emotion and our feelings. Because we always get sidetracked. Right? And so, let us change to have a new us during this 2026 by doing only one thing at a time. After we finish that, move on to the next step. Step by step. One step at a time. If we have time, be mindful with our breathing. Breathe in, you're aware of that breath going in. Breathe out, you're aware of that breath going out. In, out, just aware of that. That's it. Nothing else. When you know that thought is popping up, acknowledge of those thoughts. By thought, come back here. Saying silently, thought, come back with the breathing. When you hear noise, when you hear talking, when you hear sound, just acknowledge those as sound. If you acknowledge that as sound, it will not trap in here. Okay? It will come from this ear, it will come out to that ear. Finish. Nothing left. But it's because we want to keep it with us. That's why it come in here and through the filter. And then it's trapped inside of our head and our mind. And then whenever things happen, we pick up those and chew it over and over again. That's what I meant. So let it go by reciting silently, acknowledge it as sound, come back with the breathing. Feelings on this body, same way, acknowledge it as feelings, and then come back with our breath. This is what we really need, nothing else. We don't need to fight for anything. As long as all of us here can work through that to have our family at peace first. This society, and we can share it to the society, share it to many people as possible, then this country, this world will be bloomed with all the peace, will be bloomed and flourish throughout the world. We don't have to carry weapons to the wall to fight for peace anymore.
That's right.
Who believe in that? Raise your hand and give me a clap.
Yes.
If you believe in that, we will work together. We will walk to Washington, D.C. together. One last thing. We have so many different mindset, different people, different mindset. We have all kind of egos for ourselves. Okay? Let us change ourselves. Don't try to change any other people. Whenever we think that we are better than the other, that is when we are not better than anybody. When we think that the thing that we believe is bigger and larger and then better than the other belief, that is when we are not better than anybody because of that ego. Okay? Whenever we still have that ego within us, we are not better than anybody. Everybody have different mindset, different point of view, different eyes to look. This religion is for the people who have that faith to believe in. Let them worship it. This one is suitable for this portion of people. Let them believe and let them do the thing they do. Same thing as the other. We don't need to fight. We don't need to do all this. As long as we know and we understand this mountain is high, there's another mountain will be higher. Do you believe that?
Yes.
So don't ever think that we are better than anybody else. Let us all walk for peace. Thank you, and may you all be well, happy, and peaceful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.